Content creation is a fundamental element in generating online income and building a successful online presence. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, podcaster, social media influencer, or website owner, creating valuable content is key to attracting and engaging an audience, which in turn can lead to various income-generating opportunities. Here's a detailed explanation of why content creation is key to online income. Attracts and retains an audience. Content is what draws people to your online platform. It provides value, information, entertainment, or solutions that your target audience is seeking. High quality and consistent content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Establishes authority and credibility. Creating valuable content demonstrates your expertise and knowledge in a particular niche. Over time, this helps you build authority and credibility, making your audience more likely to trust your recommendations and advice. Drives traffic and engagement. Search engines like Google love fresh, valuable content. Well-optimized content can help improve your website's search engine ranking, driving organic traffic to your platform. Content also encourages engagement through comments, likes, shares, and discussions. Monetization opportunities. Content creation opens up various avenues for monetization, including advertising. You can earn money through ad networks like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing by placing ads on your platform. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn commissions on sales. Sponsored content. Companies may pay you to create content that features their products or services. Product sales. If you have your own products or services, content can be used to market and sell them. Membership and subscription models. Create exclusive content for subscribers or members who pay a fee. Donations and crowdfunding. Some content creators receive financial support from their audience through platforms like Patreon. Diversifies income streams. Through content creation, you can diversify your income streams by combining various monetization methods. This reduces your reliance on a single source of income and provides financial stability. Global reach. Online content has a global audience. You can reach people from all around the world, which increases your income potential and market reach. Flexibility and independence. Content creators often enjoy flexibility and independence in their work. You can set your own schedule, choose the topics you're passionate about, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Long-term passive income. Evergreen content, which remains relevant over time, can generate passive income. Once created, it continues to attract an audience and generate income without constant updates. Feedback and improvement. Audience feedback and engagement provide insights into what your audience wants. You can use this feedback to continually improve your content and income strategies. Brand building. Content is a powerful tool for building your personal or business brand. A strong brand can lead to increased income opportunities, partnerships, and sponsorships. Learning and growth. The process of creating content often involves research and learning. This continuous learning can expand your knowledge and skills, making you more valuable in your niche. Adaptability to market changes. Content creators can adapt quickly to market changes and trends. Being nimble and responsive can help you stay relevant and financially successful in dynamic online spaces. In summary, content creation is a cornerstone of online income generation. It not only attracts and retains an audience, but also offers diverse monetization opportunities, builds authority, and provides long-term passive income potential. To succeed in the online income arena, it's essential to produce high-quality, relevant, and consistent content that resonates with your target audience.